Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to find the routing number on your account for Citibank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is open up the official Citibank website right here, citi.com if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the homepage. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Citibank application and open it up. So once you've done so, now we can get started by logging in. So if you do not already have a Citibank account, what you can do is open an account. If you have one but just haven't activated it online, you can use the activate button right here. So once you've gotten your account set up and running, and now we can log in normally. So once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Your dashboard is going to be your place where you can take a look at your balance, your payments due, and so on. All that is going to be available right here once you have logged in. And now we can take a look at our routing number. So what is the routing number of Citibank? Well guys, as you can see in this article right here, we can take a look where is the routing number on a check. Basically, this is going to be your routing number in the bottom left corner of any check that you write. So how can you find your Citibank routing number? Well guys, you can easily do so on this website. So you can look up your routing number on the official website of the Federal Reserve. There you can find the routing number for any bank. You'll be able to select the Citibank website, and then you can go ahead and get started checking out what the routing number is for that bank. You can even go ahead and log in normally right here to Citibank. As you can see, you can log in to get your bank's routing number by logging into online banking. So once you get started making a check or a payment from your account right here online directly in Citibank, you can go ahead and take a look at what your routing number is as well, and then you can use that for payments. But basically, that's how easy it is to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.